Hello and welcome back to AirTech channel where we discuss everything related to technology. In today's video, we're going to talk about the latest virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, technologies and how they can be used to transform various industries. Entertainment and gaming. The most popular use of VR and AR technologies is in entertainment and gaming. With VR headsets, users can immerse themselves in a virtual world and feel like they're a part of the game. AR technologies like Pokémon Go have also proven to be a huge hit with gamers. Education and training. VR and AR technologies are also being used to revolutionize the way we learn and train. VR simulations can provide a safe environment for trainees to practice complex tasks, such as surgery or piloting an aircraft. AR technologies can also enhance the classroom experience by overlaying virtual objects onto the real world. Healthcare. VR and AR technologies are making huge strides in the healthcare industry. VR headsets can be used to provide distraction therapy to patients undergoing painful procedures, while AR technologies can help doctors visualize complex medical data. Real estate. VR technologies are also transforming the way we buy and sell real estate. With VR headsets, potential buyers can tour a property without physically being there, while AR technologies can be used to overlay virtual furniture onto an empty space. Retail and marketing. VR and AR technologies are also being used to enhance the retail and marketing experience. With AR technologies, customers can try on virtual clothes or see how a piece of furniture would look in their home. VR technologies can also be used to create immersive shopping experiences. That's it for today's video on the latest VR and AR technologies and how they can be used. As you can see, these technologies are not just for entertainment, but are also making a huge impact in various industries. With more and more companies investing in these technologies, we can only expect to see even more innovative uses in the future. Tell us below in the comments what you think about VR and AR technologies. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for latest technology trends. Thanks for watching.